Today we're going to be doing a little something I like to call the Acgamming upgrade. Acgam gaming upgrade. They sent us over a couple things and I want to see if it's worth it or not to get like a gaming chair versus like an office chair. It's a XL chair. It's for big boys. They sent me the big boy chair. I'm very excited. I'm 6'3", 220. These little baby chairs ain't gonna do it. I got a Walmart chair over here, a Walmart gaming chair. Yeah, that's right. And I got this one that I use all the time, and we're gonna compare them, and then we're gonna throw the monitor stand together, and it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna have a fun day. All right, here we go. Let's do it. The seat is massive. This one that I've been sitting in since like day one almost, it is a chair that I may have acquired from my job that they were going to throw away. I think it's like a Maverick A14 or something. They don't sell it anymore. It used to be like $200. It's from 2007. This chair that I've been using is 18 years old, literally. Also extremely heavy. This thing is like 75 pounds straight up. It's actually annoying. I also wanted to take a second to thank whoever made these caster wheels, because sometimes they're really hard to push in, but these were super easy. We'll see how well this rolls on carpet, because I have a carpet in here. So okay, huge, actually huge that this comes with a handle. You know how many Allen keys I've had? Like IKEA, for example, they give you this tiny little 90-degree Allen key and it sucks. This thing has like a handle. I'll be done in a minute. I'm really dizzy now. GG. Oh my God, I put the arm on backwards. All right, now I finished putting it together. I'm just gonna sit in it. Feels pretty nice so far. We shall see. Okay, so you can like lean back. You can put it in lean back mode, but you can't lock it back in place. No footrest or anything. You know, features wise, there's not too much to talk about. It's just got a height adjustment. It's got really nice, like it feels really comfortable. It just doesn't maybe have all the features that most people would want. I have a chair over here that has all the features, but it's super uncomfortable. So we're going to take a look at that one just to show you the difference, but it's horrible. I'm 6'3". If I'm actually sitting up perfect posture, which I never do, the back of my head is actually on the chair, which is not something that I don't think I have that on any of my chairs, but we'll see in a sec. It's a little above the chair, but the part that I care about resting on is there. So solid armrest is built for big boys like me, 300 pounds max capacity. It's extra wide. The cushion has more padding than the other one because big boys need more padding. And if you have long arms, it's like kind of necessary because if you're sitting like this, you end up with like a permanent shrug. So now I can kind of be a little more relaxed. It doesn't have cringe branding on it. It's just a nice, clean looking chair. I'll keep you guys updated on the quality of the leather as life goes on. We'll see how long these armrests last. Yeah, so now I'll talk about the chair that I sit in all the time real quick. Okay, like I said, this chair built in 2007. My back does kind of hurt in this chair after sitting in it for several hours. But like I said, they don't sell this chair anymore. It's very old, but it does have more features. Some of them are broken. These armrests aren't adjustable. These ones are. You can move them up, move them down. You can lean back. Lock it in place like that. It's got an adjustable headrest that's kind of broken. But even when I go and sit back, it's still a little shorter at its max height than this chair. This is also a normal size chair, not meant for big boys. You can adjust the tilt and the back part too. Yeah, I mean, it's just kind of uncomfortable. That's pretty much all I have to say. I like the features. The features are pretty cool. And now we're going to talk about the Walmart chair a little bit. And I hate this one. So I'm sure you guys will love it. I know how much YouTube loves negativity. Okay, so this is the Walmart chair. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this or not. But it's extremely creaky, okay? I hate it. I can't record with it. The padding is about this thin. Even though the arms are fully tight, this is still how much the arms move, even though they're fully tight. It's just extremely annoying. Basically the arms are connected, so if you go to sit back, then the armrest position gets moved, which is really annoying. It's a gamer gear chair. It comes with a little footrest on it, which is kind of cool, except my legs are really heavy and it's clearly made for like children or something. I don't know, but it's kind of ridiculous. My legs are really long and all I'm resting is like my calves. I know you're supposed to like put your ankles on there, but my legs are really long, so the best I can do is calves. And this has no back padding. It's just like a breathable mesh, which is kind of nice because I'm a sweaty boy. This was like a $150 chair at the time. I got this because somebody sold me a chair and offer up that was straight up broken, and I got scammed and I was mad. So we were like, okay, I'm just going to buy a gaming chair at Walmart. Ended up being the worst thing in my entire life, and I haven't used it barely at all. It just kind of sits here. Overall, like I said, old chairs. These aren't that great. Walmart chair, not anything to write home about. This old thing, this is like a perfect example of like an office chair. It's comfortable. It'll get the job done. But, you know, over time, things start to wear out. If you're looking for something new, you need something for gaming, you're a streamer or whatever, you don't want branding, definitely recommend Acgam gaming chair. Check it out, and I'll leave a link in the description. Keep watching my videos and stuff. We'll see if the chair is still in the background. Then you know, hey, maybe this thing wasn't half bad. Okay, so now we're going to take a peek at this here. Acgam also sent over a monitor mount. It's like a gas spring heavy duty monitor mount. So we're going to take a look. As you can see, we have all the stuff here. So we're just going to stick it all together. Hopefully it's not too difficult. This looks really hard. Oh no. What do I do? I am confusion. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. Anyways, we got it figured out. It's pretty cool little monitor mount. I actually like it. It was kind of difficult to tighten the spring, but it required another person. So, like I said, Acgam chair, 10 out of 10. And the monitor mount, 9 out of 10. I'm docking a point for how hard it was to put together, but it's also a little more complicated to put together. But overall, I like the end result. So this has been the Best Buy upgrade, Acgam upgrade. Check it out. Make sure to look at the Best Buy links because it's cheaper. I'm yapping. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech review, baby. Noodle Nick out.